Hello, it's Jim from JetsonHacks.com. On today's show, we are talking about the must-have tool for NVIDIA Jetson developers, Jtop. This amazing tool was created by Raffaello Bonghi, one of the original Jetson champs. Raffaello is also the creator of Nanosaur, the smallest NVIDIA Jetson dinosaur robot. Let's dive into what Jtop is, why you need it, and how to install it on your Jetson device. The NVIDIA Jetsons are small computing modules that are perfect for AI and robotics projects. They have a system-on-a-chip architecture with a graphics processing unit. We call that a GPU. Jtop is a user-friendly command line tool that allows you to monitor and control your Jetson. It provides real-time information on CPU, GPU, memory, and other system resource usage. Jtop can display information from the Jetson power monitors and temperature sensors. Also included is information about Jetson Linux and libraries in use, along with a detailed description of the Jetson hardware. The Jtop tool is available for all Jetson models. Jtop is Docker and virtual environment friendly. You can include Jtop in your applications with its API, which is available on the Jetson stats repository on GitHub. By using Jtop, you can balance your application's performance and power consumption. The easiest way to get Jtop is to install the Jetson stats package from PyPy. To do that, we will need to install pip, Python's install package manager. In a new terminal on our Jetson, we update our Ubuntu package manager repositories. Then we install pip. Finally, we use pip to install the Jetson stats package. For the changes to take effect, we need to reboot the system. Be right back. We open up a new terminal and we are ready to run Jtop. Let's rearrange things. This Nano has 4 CPU cores. The GPU isn't putting in a whole lot of work. Let's give it something to do. We'll open up a browser. Now when we scroll the web page, you can see that the GPU is in use. This is the general overview page. You can see the utilization metrics here. You can also see the temperature sensor and power monitor streams. Plus, you see some fan and clock information. Let's switch over to the GPU tab. Here you get more detailed analytics about the GPU. On the CPU page, we can see the CPU utilization and the clock speeds. The memory page has the memory utilization as well as process information. The fifth page is the hardware engine page. You can see that the audio processing engine is on. The rest of the engines are turned off. They're lazy. From page 6, you can control the fan as well as performance modes. And finally, tab 7. This is a very useful page. This includes the Jetson Linux version in use and the Jetpack libraries installed. There is a complete rundown of the hardware and the network addresses. This is on a Jetson Nano. Let's take a look at it on a Jetson Orin. We're running a little YouTube video here. You can see the 12 CPU cores. There are 2 GPUs. And of course, the info screen's a little bit different. There you have it. When you first set up your Jetson, install Jetson stats. That's what the pros do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.